So this is Eyewash station. Whenever you're doing any work with batteries or anything that could get in your eyes, you want to make sure that there's an Eyewash station close by to wherever you're working. One thing to always look at is the last time that the Eyewash station was inspected. So Eyewash stations are typically filled with saline and a water mixture, but you want to make sure that there is actually water in there and high enough that it's got enough pressure for this system because it's a gravity fed system. Eyewash station should also be flushed weekly. So you want to pull the Eyewash station down, make sure that water comes out and that it's clean water. If you needed to use the Eyewash station, you want that water to be clean. When you do get something in your eyes and you need to use this, you should keep your eyes open and in the water for 15 minutes at least. And then when you're done with that 15 minutes, you're going to want to go and get medical attention.